This is Martog from gbfans.com. I'm going to show off the Replica Props Sound chip with an Exoray light kit. This pack was built by Dan aka on gbfans.com. Now the way I did it is I'm going to use this switch here, the bottom one, for the sounds. And a lot of people will use the top one. If you use an Exoray kit and this, you have to use a 3-pole dual throw. Well, my top switch here turns on the pack lights, and then the bottom one will turn on the sound and gun lights. And with Exoray's kit, there is a safety switch on the trigger box. Just flip it up. It's ready to fire. And just switch the lights back all off. And that will be the Replica Props with the Exoray kit. Thank you.